Hi everyone, I'm Ryan from Sin City Sawdust, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to clean up your clamps, get all the wood glue off, and protect it from future wood glue spills. Alright, so today we're going to need, obviously our clamps. These clamps got a lot of dried glue on them, so we're going to get them cleaned up. You need a respirator, a drill with a brass wire wheel. You want a brass one because the brass is softer than the actual steel, so it won't hurt the ridges on there as much as a regular steel one would. Also, you're going to want some paste wax and an applicator pad or something. Some clamps to hold your clamps down with. And just an old chisel. I use this one for cleaning up glue squeeze out on projects I'm doing. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is just kind of lay it on our side here and take our old chisel. You see we got glue squeeze out running down the sides here. Just take our chisel and go ahead and just take that excess off of there. And you can turn it up and just lightly go over your ridges here. You don't want to go too much pressure and risk messing them up. You just want to get the excess off. Alright. Now we can go ahead and take these clamps, just clamp them down to your work surface so they don't move around on you. We'll go ahead and put our respirator on. And also make sure you got some good safety glasses you're going to be wearing. You want this glue to come up and hit you in the eyes. Alright, now we can just take our wire wheel. We can go take it this way, go along the ridges, get it all out of there deep, and then just take it right down the sides and just go ahead and work on it. Alright, once you got the top done, go ahead and remove your clamps. Oh, just check down the sides. Maybe you got some on the bottoms you need to do. Now let's go ahead and clamp them down on the sides. Alright, and there we go. Got nice clean clamps. We got a nice brush finish on there now. I think it's kind of cool. Now what we'll do is just take some of our paste wax and go ahead and rub it down. And that's it. Alright, that's how you clean up your clamps. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And stay tuned for future projects we have coming out. See you around.